Look at this new 2012 Toyota Tundra two-wheel drive truck. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Tundra two-wheel drive truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tinted windows, passenger airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-726-6296 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.